To stake your SeekCoin on our staking platform, follow these steps. Go to SeekSwap. Click the Stake button from the side menu. A new tab will open with the staking platform. Connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button. Click on Stake Seek button. Use the Seek calculator to determine your staking options. For example, if you're staking 5,000 SeekCoin for 90 days, you will receive 5,187.5 coins after this period. You can also stake for 180 days, 365 days, 540 days, or 730 days, with rewards varying based on the staking duration. Input the amount you wish to stake. For instance, if you're staking 100 SeekCoins for 90 days, you'll receive 103.75 coins after 90 days. Click the Stake Now button. You can also adjust the value from your wallet. Click Next. A gas fee will be deducted in BNB. If you agree, click Approve. Processing will take 2 to 3 seconds. Your wallet will show the total amount with the gas fee. Click Confirm. Your token will be staked, and the platform will display all the statistics, including your wallet balance, current stake value, total stake, and staking history with the time period.